I just got featured as top creator on the Notion marketplace, which means that right now anyone in the world who's opening the marketplace within Notion will see this face staring at them. Yay! I want to use this occasion to not only say thank you to the Notion marketplace team for deciding to feature me, but also to everyone who has been using my templates, watching my videos, and supporting me along the way on this little creator journey. I have received tons of positive and encouraging feedback over the last few months, which is really motivating and especially helpful when a little bit of self-doubt is creeping in every once in a while. I really appreciate it. As you can see around me, I have also invested into a new studio setup to step up my video recording game, which was desperately needed. And I'm definitely planning to create more content very soon. The main reason why I have not been making any new videos recently is because I was and still am very busy with laying the groundwork for everything that I have in mind for the next few months ahead. And I just completed the first major milestone of that plan by releasing my biggest template yet, which is a complete Notion workspace organization system called ClarityOS. ClarityOS is my personal take on using Notion as a second brain to manage and organize your entire life, which I have been creating and optimizing over the last few years. The template literally launched less than a week ago, and the early user feedback so far has been very positive. As I'm still working on the template's product page and the upcoming walkthrough video, I decided to celebrate getting featured as a Notion top creator with a special offer. Until the end of this week, which is Sunday, you can grab ClarityOS with an exclusive early adopter discount. After that, the template will never be available as cheap as that ever again. So make sure to check the description or pinned comment below this video for all details. And that's already it for today. I have to get back to work on the product page, and I hope you have a great day and weekend ahead.